and you're going to create a first block we're going to create is going to be the 8-29 out of the blue book. It is you've already created. It was number 4 on the board drafting assignments. Basically what I need you to do is you're going to go up to this little piece of paper and you're going to click the little drop down arrow, or you can just hit the piece of paper. You're going to hit new and this will pop up on your screen. We're going to create a part, so you want to make sure part is highlighted, not the assembly. Make sure the part is highlighted. You're going to say OK. If you see something like this, you need to go down and click where it says novice. Take you back to this. Make sure part is clicked. Say OK. After you click part, this will open up. First thing you need to do is create an extrusion. So you're going to go up to extrude boss base. If you hover over it, it tells you what it does. You're going to extrude boss base. Now when you pick your plane, if you hold down the rolly ball on the mouse, if you just push it down, you can spin this around all over the place. Okay? I want to spin it so that I can see. I want to draw from the front plane. So I'm going to draw the front plane. Okay? When you draw the front plane, you're going to draw the front view. So your extrusion is going to be just like you would see from the front view. So I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to click the line tool and I'm going to start at the origin, these 2 red arrows right at the origin. I'm going to draw at the bottom left corner of the front view. I'm going to click once and I'm going to go up 1.5 inches. So on the keyboard you can type 1.5 and hit enter. You should be able to. Actually, just draw the shape. So going back, just draw the shape, and basically I'm going to draw to the right a little bit, go down, over, up, over, down, and back. So now I have my shape. I'm missing this one line right here. Okay, hit escape to take you out. Now I'm going to smart dimension it. So now I would dimension it. So just click off to the left and I'm going to type 1.5. Now that raises at 1.5. You notice they all raise, which is really nice. I'm going to click this line and click up again. So you click twice. Once to grab the line and then once to dimension. So that dimension is 0.5 inches. Now I want to dimension this. So remember, your dimension tool is a smart dimension. Click the line, click again, and you're going to type in 0.5 is the depth of that. So 0.5. Okay. Now this line right here is 4 inches. So just type a 4 and hit enter. Okay. This line down here we need to dimension. This one's going to be 5 inches. So now if I roll out or roll away from you, you can see the shape is back to its original spot. Here I'm going to click, that's 0.5, that looks good. It says you're going to get this error. It says over dimensioning. So hit cancel. You don't need to mention it because it's already 0.5. This one right here is not tall enough, so I want to type this at 1.5. Okay, now if I dimension this, it's 0.5 also, and basically you can see all my dimensions are what the drawing should be. So I'm going to hit exit sketch. Okay, now I'm going to draw, how thick it is or how wide the block is. I can grab this arrow and drag it out, or I can come right over here to depth and I can type in 2.5 because that's the width of it, and I'm going to hit enter. So now my block is 2.5. I'm going to hit the check mark here, or you can go over here to this check mark. Doesn't matter which one you use. You can use either one. So now I have my extrusion. That is how you create an extrusion. Again, I created from the front plane. If I hit the space bar, okay, I can pick what view I want. I want to click the front view, or I can go down here and click the front view. It tells me front view. If I hover over it here, it doesn't really tell me, but I can click that and it takes me straight to the front view. If I hit the space bar again, I want to go to the top view. I click the top, takes me to the top. If I click it spacebar again, I hit the right side, it takes me to the right side. So the spacebar is a shortcut on the keyboard to get to a specific view that you want to get to. I'm going to start with the front view. Okay, that is how you create the first extrusion. Again, or not again, but over on the side you can see here is my extrusion. Now let's say I want to edit the extrusion. Well, actually, we'll go back and edit some stuff later on. We'll move on to the next part, which is going to be a cut.